Hey, so we're doing an unboxing from the Johens company, and I can't wait to see what is in here. This is for the nail tech event of the Smokies in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, coming up in July. 201 pieces plus one for me. Aw, that's so sweet. I hardly ever get anything myself. This is all for the nail techs, but now I get to try one myself. I don't know what these are, but it looks pretty cool. I don't know. Okay, I'll open this one since she said it was one for myself. So I'll just open this one. This will be good. Let us see what Henrietta has sent us. Cute. Look at, ooh, iridescent. Like that. There you goes that. And now, ooh, this is a nice heavy little chain. We'll see what's inside. Oh, look, there's a little kit. Oh, look. Oh my gosh, there's like some kind of little confettis, diamond confettis. I don't know if it's picking up, but yeah, isn't that pretty? And then we've got a QR code, which I'm assuming maybe, let's see, free top shine. Oh, this is nice. This is for the VIPs. Epic, okay, that'll go for the VIPs. And then we've got, looks like it's black stilettos. Check this out, look at that. All right, I'm gonna turn this around. Hopefully this is up the right way where you can read it from Johens with their website. Yep, johens.com. So we've got that. And then there's something else in here. There's a couple of things. Wait a minute, yeah, here's a big thing. Let's pull this out and see what this good stuff is. Cute, nice business card. Look at it, very nice. Aww. Very sweet. Nice little thank you for using their products. And then, let's put that one down there. Let's see what this is. I'm not sure. It might be like foil transfer or something. I'm not entirely sure. I don't know. There's no explanation here. And I don't have my glasses on, so I can't read this. But wait a minute. Okay, wait a minute. This says, so here's how this works. With any purchase over a $30, not include shipping costs and tax, that you make on johens.com, you'll receive one of our free top shine. And that's what this QR code is, which I will not be showing you because this is for the VIPs at the nail tech event of the Smokies. Thanks, Johens and Henrietta. This is really sweet. Look at this, cost them a lot of money to not only like produce, but to package and to ship for the nail tech event of the Smokies. If you would like to join us in July in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, go to nailtechevent.com. And if you want to find more Johens products, go to johens.com. Thanks. Peace out, nail techs.